Hi, my lovely Pisceans. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Pisceans, before we begin, let me wish you a very, very happy birthday, guys. May this year be the best year of your life. May this year bring lots of peace, bliss, abundance, lots of love, and lots of good health, guys. It's your season and just go and rock it. So, guys, like always, we are going to do collective reading for your sign for the month of March 2023. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, also if at all anything matches with you, if anything resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. And drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So Pisceans, actually I had started recording for your sign yesterday also. I mean, I just laid out the spread and I just gave up because I don't know why there was a lot of clutter. The messages were not coming through clearly, so I just thought I might as well not record. And also bear with me, I am running fever, and please bear with the low energy. Okay, also guys, pre-shuffling, the messages are pretty much similar like yesterday's. The star energy, the Aquarian energy has been showing its presence very, very strongly. When I started shuffling today, the first card that fell was the star card, okay, and the second card that fell was temperance card. Okay, so the angels definitely want you to balance your energies, or bring balance into life or whatever situation it is. Okay, the angels are also asking you to have patience. Okay, some of you guys might be going through a transformation, you guys might be healing. Okay, now by healing I mean emotionally or spiritually or physically as well. Okay, you might not be feeling keeping well and you are healing, or some major life events might have happened and you are healing through this. So guys, please remember that healing is a process and you really need to have patience and not get frustrated and try to rush into things. Okay, so that message was coming very strongly. The star card popped up as soon as I started shuffling the clarifier deck also. Okay, so those who have been watching my readings, I use two decks, one for main reading and one for clarification. So the first card jumped from that deck was also star energy. Okay, so definitely someone is undergoing some transformation, some healing. Okay, and yeah, just be gentle with yourself. Okay, another thing that I saw, and I'm pretty much sure, is that some of you guys might get a new job opportunity. Okay, you are in for a brand new career opportunity, job opportunity. It could be a new assignment also in your current job, but to me it looks more of a brand new job opportunity. Okay, and probably you might not be even expecting it, but yeah, you'll just get an opportunity out of nowhere, and before you know, you'll be in a new job. Okay, it's going to bring in lot of money. Okay, lot of money. Some of you guys might also get money from inheritance. Okay, I saw Ace of Pentacles and I saw 10 of Pentacles as well. So inheritance money is also what I was saying, or money coming through some property deal. Okay, buy or sale of property. But either ways, the point being, you guys are in for a lot of money. Okay, I'm very, very sure about that. Some of you guys might get married. Okay, or into a committed relationship. Again, this is a very fast moving energy, guys. Someone is going to just come out of your life. I saw Knight of Swords, a very, very fast moving energy, and before you know, things will progress. Okay, and you would want to commit to this person. Now this person might have child or children from previous marriage. Could be a case of second marriage, not necessary, but high probability. But yes, definitely you two are going to complete each other's perfect family picture. Okay, you two could be from different communities, religions. Okay, there could be a substantial difference between your origins, or your there could be a cultural difference between you two, but it's a very beautiful relationship, a strong one. Hierophant card, I saw Taurus energy. There was I was about to say something. Some of you guys might also be getting an apology from someone. Okay, and some of you guys might get a love message from someone. Okay, and it's going to be a very cute one. This person is absolutely obsessed with you, guys, is what I'm seeing. Could be even stalking you. Okay, or vice versa, you could be the one doing that. Take it how it resonates. Okay, I don't know which side of the stick you are on. And what else? There was so many messages coming through. You guys could be at a distance from each other. Okay, and might want to go and see each other, might be planning to go and see each other. Oh yeah, but one important thing I forgot to mention, I saw number 6 a couple of times. Number 6 is extremely crucial for some of you guys. Okay, I saw 6 of cups a couple of times. I saw 6 of swords. Then there was Aquarian and Temperance energy, which talks about balance. Number 6 is basically of balance. Some of you guys might end up meeting your old friends. There could be reunion, reconciliation. Someone might want to come and reconcile with you, want to apologize and burn the let the bygones be bygones. Okay, would offer to patch up. Okay, could be any bond, friendship, love relationship, whatever, but reconciliation was what I was saying. You guys might be also missing someone. Okay, in the energy wherein someone wants to apologize and mend things, I think that you guys are not ready for this mending, and you have already decided or made up your mind to move ahead in life. Okay, you don't want to go back to this energy or this person. Okay, that's what I was getting very strongly. So like I said, a lot of messages. I think we are already 5 minutes through the reading, and without much ado, let's get started and see what messages we have in your main reading. Okay, 2 of Cups. Oh my goodness, there you go. Very interesting. Devil card is also what I had seen while shuffling. Wow, I always like when I see the Sun card. Okay, yeah, there was Wheel of Fortune while pre-shuffling also. Okay, oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness, Pisceans. Oh my god, guys, do I like really? I mean, I absolutely have no doubt about this, that oh my goodness, oh my goodness, I'm seeing all the all the suits of the Wands family. Okay, there is Knight of Wands, there is King of Wands, there is Queen of Wands, there is Ace of Wands. Oh my goodness, let me explain to you guys. By the way, this is going to be a soulmate connection. If it all, like I said, I saw someone manifesting. Not manifesting, manifestation had come yesterday while pre-shuffling. If you guys are getting into a relationship, this is going to be your soulmate. Okay, you have been connected to each other since past lifetimes. And I'll come back to this energy later. There's lots that I can talk, and I'm already so excited. You can see, or you can hear probably in my voice. So just let me quickly see the cards. I think we are good to go already. Yeah. So in your recent past, I see there is 2 of Cups and there is 3 of Pentacles. Some of you guys might have come across your twin flames. Okay, you could have you guys probably could have met in your workplace also. Okay, but for some reasons, taking into account the pre-shuffling energy also, what I feel is that for some of you guys this relationship might not have worked because either you or that person or both of you are married, okay. And there is definitely a third party situation, that's what I'm seeing over here. And usually I don't relate third party to a third person necessarily, but since by seeing these placements, since it has come along with two of cups, I believe it could be a third party situation, okay. I also feel that some of you guys might be starting something in partnership with someone, okay, some sort of business, or you might have discussed or collaborated with someone related to some business ideas, what I'm getting, okay. You might be working as a team of three people. Three of Pentacles was showing up yesterday also, okay. But yeah, Three of Pentacles, Three of Wands, and Wheel of Fortune. Very, very interesting. Guys, I really feel that there could be this could be a case of Three of Wands, wherein you were stuck in a kind of a triangle, okay. And you two could be there could be many factors that could be keeping you apart, guys. There could be physical distance between you two. You might not be from the same place, same location, and that could also be the reason for things not to work out between you guys. But anyway, I would like to clarify this energy more, because it's sounding very random to me. We'll come back to your recent past again, okay. Coming to your current energy, there is the Devil and the Three of Wands. I feel that you guys are obsessed or obsessively thinking about someone or something, okay. And you are kind of waiting for your ships to sail in, or rather I would say that you're waiting for the right time to go and see this person. But definitely I see lot of obsession. And why I'm saying obsession and why I'm saying this is because of this is related to a person, is because there are lot of wands, guys. There is Ace of Wands over here, and which talks about passionate new beginnings and lot of passion. So yes, definitely you guys are obsessed about someone, and someone is obsessed about you, is what I'm getting, okay. And you guys are literally waiting patiently to meet this person, is what I'm getting, guys. Also, you guys might be addicted to something, okay. You guys might be addicted to something. If that is the case, please be very, very mindful. Addiction is not good, no matter what, okay. It could be online addiction, binge watching, shopping. So just be little mindful of those things. That's what I'm getting in your current energy. Capricorn energy coming through very, very strongly. Lot of obsessive energy is coming through, guys. A lot of obsessive energy. Moving to immediate future, I see the Sun and the Wheel of Fortune. So guys, what I see, or what I'm getting energetically, is you guys are definitely and I mean, this is connecting or making sense to the pre-shuffling energy also, that you guys might beginning a new chapter or new phase of your life, okay. It's a very happy phase, it's a very cheerful, bright phase, sunny phase, okay. For some reasons I feel that there is something to do with someone's children over here, okay. Something to do with someone's children. Like I said, if at all you guys are getting into a relationship, this person might already have kids, okay, from earlier marriage. I also feel that some of you guys might travel for work purposes, okay. You might travel to another city or another country for work purposes, is also what I'm getting. Yeah, let's talk about your overall energy first and we'll then come to the recent past. I'm not getting what this energy is trying to say. So, guys, your overall energy talks about Ace of Wands. Definitely, whatever this relationship is, it's full of passion. Like I said, there is so much fire in this. Okay, you could be connecting to a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you are. You're having fire in your placements, okay, particularly Sagittarius, Queen of Wands, whoever this person is, okay, this person is completely in his or her element, okay, very confident, very sure of himself or herself, knows what he or she wants in her life, okay, and this person is extremely attractive, okay, you find this person very very attractive, or vice versa, this person is finding you very very attractive, okay, and by very I mean magnified very, okay, because there are, like I said, there are so many wands in your overall energy. I've kept the cards, I have not taken all. There is King of Wands also over there, okay, which and the Queen, they again make a soulmate connection. 10 of Cups, Ace of Cups, guys. Like, are you kidding me? I mean, do I really need to give any more confirmations, or you know? I did not say much, that someone here is getting into a new relationship which is full of love, which is full of passion, and it's going to be a perfect family picture. And I'm like almost convinced that there is going to be a child involved in this mix for some reason, okay, from the previous marriage of either or both of these people. And Six of Swords and Nine of Cups, this energy, it's taking Nine of Cups followed by 10 of Cups and Ace of Cups. Oh my goodness, guys, like, just what, you are walking straight away into a new relationship, guys, straight away. I mean, you have no hold over it, and like I said, before you know, you are going to be into this new relationship and happily married, and I'm so happy. I mean, Pisces, this is the first reading of the month, and I am so happy to get this kind of cards, guys. It actually makes me very happy when the reading has a positive tone to it. Congratulations, and if any such thing happens, please let me know, guys. Please let me know. I want to see what the Two of Cups and Three of Pentacles is. What is the recent past all about? Oh dang, guys, I see there is Temperance again. I feel that there is a strong, see, look at these cards. These are the same cards that have been falling while pre-shuffling. Ace of Pentacles, the Chariot, and Eight of Cups. You guys, probably there is Three of Swords also at the bottom of the deck, though. So there could be a situation wherein you are just coming out of one situation of your life, and you're just walking straight away into a new life, a new beautiful life. It is as if it was just a matter of time, or matter of time is what I would say, wherein you just let go of the old toxicity, and there was bright new beginning, bright new energy, a beautiful love awaiting you, guys. And that's what is happening. Chariot energy, Cancerian energy, Temperance, Sagittarian energy, three aces, guys. Definitely new beginnings, left, right, center, career, love, passion, whatever, you are going to have it all. And I am absolutely so happy. Look at the dove, look at the lotuses, and look at how the cup is overflowing with emotions, guys. Water is emotion. Whoever this person is, okay, this person is head over heels in love with you, or vice versa, and it's a very beautiful and a very pure union, guys. You guys are like I said, you guys know each other from previous lifetimes, and you are meant to meet each other in this lifetime also, okay. So your souls know each other, recognize each other already, and that's the reason why this intense chemistry, this intense passion, this intense love and bond that you are experiencing, okay. There is a possibility that you guys might have met at your workplace, okay. Need not be, but could be a possibility, okay. I was getting that while pre-shuffling also yesterday. I mean, I was getting that. Anyway, I am very happy, guys, to get these cards for you. Let's quickly pull some additional messages from this beautiful deck. the answers you need are coming. Meditate and contemplate, of course. So guys, like I said, for those who are healing, yeah, I had seen Virgo energy also, Hermit card, okay, while pre-shuffling. Those who are healing and trying to find out some answers, okay, introspecting, know that you're going to get your answers very soon. All you need to do is calm down, you need to meditate a little. It will bring clarity, okay. Let the dust settle down, okay. Let the water calm down, okay, and you'll get clarity all of a sudden, okay. All the things and all the answers that you have been seeking, they'll come to you very, very miraculously, okay. And this might not resonate with all. This is a very specific energy, guys, okay. To whoever this is matching, you'll know what I'm talking about. Let's pull some additional messages from this beautiful deck. Meditate and contemplate has been showing up very strongly. You are ready. Yeah, actually guys, this card has been showing up very strongly while pre-shuffling also. It just kept on popping up again and again and again, and it has come up in your main reading also. So guys, you are actually ready for the new chapter of your life, for the new phase of your life, to turning the new or to turn the page over, okay. And guys, don't be scared, do not be worried. A very, very beautiful life awaits you. To whoever this applies to, or in whichever way it is applying to, you are absolutely ready, okay. And in the near future, all these things are going to manifest. New love, new job, new life, okay. All you have to do is remain positive. What a lovely reading, Pisceans. I am really, really happy to have pulled these cards for you guys on your birthday. It's my birthday gift to you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next month directly. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.